how do I fix this thing? Hey guys! That was too loud. Can you hear a Shakira song going on?
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hey, hi, how are you doing? The holidays are here. It's the favorite month of the year. It's December. And today I will be talking about some gift ideas for Christmas. I already have made a video on that, but then I felt like I should make another one. Because why not? Also, should I wear this beanie or is it making me look so bad? But I'm having a bad hair day, so I wore this beanie. It looks bad, right? I look like an egg. I look like a, I don't know, I look like a monkey right now with a blue hat. I hope you can hear this music. You know, a music is going on. So I was thinking about some of the basic gifts like people would love to have. The first one is the LED lights. LED lights which are easily available everywhere, and if not everywhere, you can get it in Amazon. Pretty affordable. I think I am planning to buy some of them, but then I don't know what color to pick because I have a very ugly pink room, so I don't like pink. I don't know why as a child I picked up pink as the color of my room, so I'm just trying to cover it up with collages. So right now I have like these like fairy lights which are freaking hot right now. Okay. Lights, there are different types of fairy lights. You know, there are some bulb lights. I think I'll just, you know, add some pictures in the description so that, not in the description, how will I add pictures in the description? You're so dumb. I'll add some pictures in the screen so that you guys can relate. And I really want to buy these like bulb lights. These are really cute. I don't know, I think that is also a very nice gift. I mean, I will be very happy if someone gives me that, but I have to buy it for myself. No one is there to buy it for me. Okay, now the second one would be skincare stuffs. Okay, I think people, both boys and girls, are into skincare these days, especially in 2020. I feel like everyone is into skincare, and it's like not a bad thing. Skincare is important, and buy some not expensive but affordable yet branded skincare for your friends, or you can also gift it to your mom because we love our moms. You can also gift it to your mom. There should be like a toner, a moisturizer, and what else, like a serum, vitamin C serum or anything. You can go for any brand you like. It does not have to be expensive. Just wrap it up in a very cute package and it will look cute, and the person will really love it. Skincare is a huge thing this year, so skincare is a very good gift. Okay, so the next thing are you know, wall collage pictures. So there are sites who sell like a package of same aesthetic pictures or collages, and they can be a bit expensive, Teresa. The thing is that the pictures are not expensive. Sometimes the shipping is very expensive because international shipping. So what you can do, just take some screenshots from Pinterest, collect some like 30 to 50 pictures, and take the screenshots and then go to the local store and get them printed out and in a like Kodak paper, so that the paper is not like thin. Choose Kodak paper, it will last you for years. Okay, some of these are like handmade. These are handmade. I think you can make out these are handmade, and these are printouts which I made 2 years ago, and still it's like brand new. So choose Kodak paper, make 30 to 50 printouts and gift it to your friend. Your friend will love it. Love it. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of people getting motivated and working out because they have like, you know, holidays and holiday workout, or like generally they are at home. Students who are like at home doing online classes, they are doing a lot of workouts. People are working out a lot, so you can give them those rubber bands, resistant bands, sorry, because those bands are really helpful. They do work a lot and they're not very expensive, so I'm planning to buy one of them, which also leads me to the second gift. Workout clothes. You can buy workout clothes for your friends. Then also yoga pants are making a comeback in 2020. You can buy yoga pants for your friends as well. Another thing that is coming back this year are like sweater vests. Sweater vests suddenly made a huge comeback. I never found sweater vest like trendy, but in 2020 I saw so many people like models like Gigi Hadid. sorry, I have a comb in my hand. Gigi Hadid, and then I saw Bella Hadid, and then Kendall Jenner. I saw so many Instagram models wearing sweater vests this year, so I also bought one sweater vest, and super trendy. Wear it with some turtleneck. Which brings me to the second gift, turtlenecks. White or black turtlenecks. It's like a nice gift for a boy or a girl. Everyone like is wearing turtlenecks, so that's a very nice gift. Another thing that made a comeback this year are cardigans. Generally we are always seeing wearing like chunky sweaters. People are wearing chunky sweaters, which is also a very nice gift, chunky sweaters. But this year I saw a lot of people wearing cardigans, so cardigans are a very nice gift. And everyone loves to wear sweatshirts, or what to say them, you know, those chunky, okay, I think crew neck sweatshirts. Yeah, these are called crew neck sweatshirts, and oh my god, that is the most aesthetic looking clothing ever. So you should buy a, you know, oversized crew neck sweatshirt for yourself, not for anyone, for yourself. Okay, so the next thing would be like gold jewelry, not actual gold jewelry, the gold plated jewelry, because gold jewelries are so in trend, you know, the golden hoops, golden chains, and rings, bracelets, even gold plated watches. They are not really expensive. You can find like some affordable sites. If you have access to Shein, very good. We don't have access to Shein anymore in India, it's banned, but there are different sites. I would suggest Amazon as well. Amazon has really nice gold jewelries. Sweatpants, grey sweatpants or black sweatpants, I think people love to wear, you know, like track pants or sweatpants. So I think that's like a really useful gift. Then there are many, like you can buy different types of fabric paints, because also during quarantine there was a lot of art posts in social media. I loved the TikTok art, you know, what to say, category. There were so many artists. Seeing a lot of people out there like into art and creativity, so you can buy different types of colors, different types of brushes, canvas, drawing copies, anything for that friend who is into art and creativity. The next thing would be perfume, and then nail polish. People are into nail polish. You can also gift you know, people who are into nail art, you can also buy different types of stationery items for making those nail art. A lot of stationery items for nail art are available online. I might not know, but there are a lot of like nail art stuffs out there, so you can buy them nail art stuffs. Think about like scrunchies. You can gift them notebooks, you know, not like regular notebooks, the what to say, the journal ones, which looks really aesthetic and really good quality journaling books. Who love to write, you can gift them those. Or some people would really love to have like just the money so that they can buy their gift themselves. So you can also ask them like, do you want the money or do you want me to buy something for you? So I think that is also a really nice way. Like you can just give them the money and they can like spend it like the way they want. The next thing would be lipsticks, lip glosses. Lip glosses are very trendy this year. Buy some nice lip gloss, eyeshadow palettes. People who are into makeup, bags, who love to buy a lot of bags, and yeah, I think I've covered most of the points. That I had in my mind, and that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, like the video. If you guys like the video, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. I'm like a bullet train. Happy holidays, you beautiful girl and boy. Happy holiday. I love you. You are the best. You're very special. Enjoy. Go make your cookies. Go make your cake. Decorate your Christmas tree and enjoy. Okay, I just acted a bit cringy right now. That's it. Come back for more. Don't forget to subscribe and bye. What are you waiting for? Get out. Go. Get out.